Mini Sealing Continuous Heat Sealer. Digital printer version. The Mini Sealing Continuous Heat Sealer is now available with a digital printer. It features a convenient touchscreen display, with a simple and intuitive interface. With our mini sealing unit, you can quickly and easily seal heat-sealable bags. The machine is easy to clean and simple to operate. A wide range of fonts is available to suit your needs. You can also print the current date. This machine seals heat-sealable bags while printing near the seal edge. You can adjust the size and length of the characters as needed. A print counter tracks the total number of prints. Replacing the cartridge takes just a few seconds. You can resume work immediately. You can also import graphics, such as symbols or your company logo, via a USB flash drive. Any graphic can be moved, enlarged, or reduced directly on the screen. Our mini sealing unit is fast, reliable, and user-friendly. To learn more about our packaging solutions for food and non-food products, visit our website, www.casrl.it, or our video channel, www.confisioona.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.